Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to enable dark mode on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on the three vertical lines at the top left of your screen. Tap on the settings icon. Select dark mode. Now simply tap on in order to enable dark mode. And that's it. This is how you enable dark mode on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.